Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add sales pop-up notification on Shopify store. For example, have you ever visited a Shopify store and all of a sudden you see purchase 2 minutes ago, or you'll see persons viewing product or so on, you'll see a small notification pop up. This in turn helps to increase their social proof, and also this will increase the chances of persons purchasing, because it will increase the urgency as they'll realize that other persons are purchasing the same product or viewing the same product that they are interested in. To add a notification like this onto your Shopify store, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once you are on your admin page, and you're going to tap on apps, and you're going to tap on all recommended apps, and you're going to select Shopify App Store. Once on the App Store, I want you to type in Toastibar, and you're going to select the Toastibar sales pop-up, and you can see that it is highly rated and it has a 4.7 star ratings with over 1,900 reviews. You're going to tap on install. After you have installed the app, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to tap on the free plan, which will allow you to get unlimited orders, unlimited notifications, and sales notification app. Once you have tapped on free, you're going to tap on Toastibar from the left hand menu option, and you're going to enable it. So you'll tap on enable app. Once you have enabled the app embed, as you can see right here, all you need to do now, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap on notifications. Once you have selected notifications, you can see sales notification, and if you were to go onto their paid plan, you could enable cart notification and online visitors notification. Now let's say for example we were to tap on edit right here. After you have tapped on edit, from there you'll be able to choose whether you'd like to display the notification on desktop only or mobile only or both. You can also scroll down, and from here you can edit the template. At the moment it is set to show someone in X city or country as purchase X, as you can see right there. You can edit this template if you want. You can also scroll down and you can see the time notification that will also pop up. You could edit that if you want also. Once you have set this up, you will need to go onto your Shopify store, or you can tap on design settings and you can further edit it, so you can see a preview of how it will look. So you can choose whichever one of these templates. Let's say this one, and we're going to tap on save. You could also tap on other settings from the top navigation bar, and if you would like to include a sound, you can do that. And also if you would like to display it on out of stock products, you can do that also. But we're going to leave it as is. Then you can tap on exclude products and you could exclude it from a particular product.